Yes, good morning. So today we are going to have paralegal work for lawyers and judges. So now what we will going to have a paralegal is child abuse and anti-voyeurism. So let's say you are seeking for legal help. Let's say your child was uh, under child abuse, or you have a person that wants to sue for anti-voyeurism, then let's tackle one by one. So first, child abuse. For before before we move, let's define first what is a child. A child is a minor. Those below 18 years old, going to 8 years old, because as far as my knowledge is concerned, 8 years old are victims of sexual exploitation already. 8 years old going to below 18 years old. So, in child abuse, it is punishable under special law. So, if your child that is, let's say, we will increase, let's say those who are in high school. So, those 12 to 15 years old. So, for example, your child who was 13 years old was being sexually intercourse by uh, older of her, let's say a 15-year-old, 14-year-old, or of his age, then there is no child abuse in that case, because uh, they are just within 2 to 3 years range. So, as a parent, you must not uh, be onion skin. But if it is more than 2 to 3 years, 2 to 3 years, let's say a high school, then sexual intercourse by a college student. So that will be a crime of child abuse. Or it can be under the new law uh, signed by ex-president Rodrigo Duterte. So if more than 18 years old, let's say 30 years old or 65 years old or above 50 years old, when he bring a child, a minor, inside the lodges or inns, motels, then they were put inside by the police authorities. Then even though when the police authorities got inside, even though they are just making a rosary, then it is considered already as child abuse. So let's go to anti-voyeurism. So in anti-voyeurism, the perpetrator or the respondent will be the one who holds the uh, video machine. What I mean, the camera or whatever, what kind of video, uh, electronic machine that they will use. So, for example, if someone will make a video above the mountain of sex scandal, then the one who videoed it will be held of anti-voyeurism. The same with, okay, so that's it. So if someone will make a video of you or your child, then that's against the law. That's anti-voyeurism. So it's not a joke or or a fun. It's a crime. So that's it. So again, we will recap so that the facts that you will give to me will be loud and clear, so that the lawyer that I serve as a paralegal will not add burden to him or her. And the lawyer that we, he will write in the paper will automatically help you without more questions. So, child abuse below 18, and take note, it is not only for girl child or it's also for the boy child. So, and for the anti-viewerism is the one who holds the video camera. That is the respondent. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Good day and God bless.